Hey friends, so today we out again, and the whole gang is here except for teacher. Teacher got enough yesterday already. So really nice day. It's supposed to be really windy, but there's no wind right now, so it's good. We're out here trying to get some catfish. We got some cut bait, got some worms. The water's really, really low. Yeah. Yes, Bong? Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
Because I'm trying to do all that.
Yeah. I'm working on it. Yeah. I taught Bong Chan To. Now she's obsessed with, she's a super producer now.
Yeah, and I'm like, how do you do like blend it in? Go, geez.
Oh, yeah. Just get the app. I'll show you the app in a minute, Bong.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hello.
There's big old there. Big old.
Hooker.
He's an old hooker. Minh Sim and Mang Nat over there. They went to the flat spot. So we'll see, but the water's really, really low. Water's really, really low right now. Yeah, you can go down here. Remember last year when we used the worm? When they used the worm, the yellow catfish. The yellow catfish too. Yeah. So we got a lot of people here today, all friends and family coming over. Yeah, check it out, guys. What we can do, right? Nice day, nice day, nice day. So see what we can do. See what happens. I got a couple of bites. I got one already. So, all right, guys. We'll see in a bit. I hope you enjoy. Peace. All right. See what happens. You can see me on that over there. Let's meet this guy. Rebate.
Bang bang.
Put the bang bang on it. I know. Them stinky stuff.
But she was fine. Yeah, apparently, like, this is Garrett Daly, and she wrapped like 4 of them things. She really thoroughly enjoyed that.
Okay, Bong. Right here, put the tail right there too, right there. The tail on the other side. So block the way.
Alright, I gotta wear gloves now.
Why? No skunk, no skunk.
Going in your bucket.
All right.
I got fire. Butter.
Hey, the yellow catfish, when it's low like this, they like that. Oh man. Some fur. For real, for real.
Hey, I've got your video.
Hey, look. Mark Janto, where's your video? Executive producer. Oh, Lynn say you focus too much on the video. You don't give him nothing. You don't kiss him or nothing. Yeah. Two executive producer today. Making noodles, making katil.
Oh, you want to show this? This here.
Grow some hair on the, you know what?
Yeah.
Grow some hair on the.
Take your old cap.
Damn, look your bite like it's a freaking
Oh, you want me to make you a bowl, dude?
No, I make it. Let's wait for everybody done.
Here, there's
Yeah,
there's a bowl. There's a bowl here, honey. Paul, you want noodles? There's noodles here. You
Okay.
want big ones, small ones, right there.
Cool. Thank you, Mom. Honey,
you.
honey, you want me to make you one, honey?
No, I eat right
นี่เนี่ย honey เนี่ยจานเนี่ย
I just ate by him.
honey you cannot put soup in there นี่
Only a little bit left, Mom.
no មានតែយកប្រាទាំងអស់ទៅ
Okay.
yeah rosemary right here lemon right here
Get chopstick. I got chopstick. Okay, hold on. Here. Yeah.
Hey, you want some of this?
I got this, but it's dirty. You got to clean it.
Honey, you want some of this?
Oh, somebody bite
Oh.
Paul.
What? What? Which one? Mine?
Paul.
Oh, okay. I'll be right there. Okay.
Red.
Okay, okay. The red one? Damn.
Had some good bouncing and shit. That's for me.
Man, try and eat some noodle too, man. Ah, I got it. Yeah. Here it comes. Yeah! Cat. Got it on some fajitas. There you go. Yeah. No skunk, baby. No skunk, baby. Got 2 now. Number 2, teacher. Number 2. Nice. Got 2 now. Ooh. Got 2. Nice. Got 2. Nice. No skunk, baby. Sorry. Huh? Right? Right there.
I may go Friday night. Me and Timmy.
Nice. Trina made some fire. Right there.
Water in the cooler.
Go ahead.
Have garlic butter too, somewhere in there, right there.
Right there.
Saute butter. So we got the
Who said 11?
Nice.
But you can go on a 10.
Got it? All right, Peter. There you go, Peter. No skunk, baby. Peter, no skunk, baby. Peter set the hook. I'm over here eating pho. I told you, you gotta put the bang bang.
There you go. Okay, talk again, bro.
Thank you, sir. That's number 3. Number 3, teacher. I'm aiming for 21. Look. Peter pull. Peter what the tiết béo kia. What đang vô chỉ vất kê đó á. Look. Peter got another one. Peter set hook for me. Thank you, my brother. I'm over here busy eating. Nice channel. All channel, bro. All channel. Yeah, except the first one. Yeah, there you go. You're right. Not all channel. Third one. Yeah, third one. Here you go, Peter. It's all yours right here.
No, leave it in the bucket, please. Okay.
All channel, bro. Except for one, the big one. The big one's not channel. See my bait right here? Go see what Minh Sim and Mong Nat are doing. Yo, you got one? What? I go over there too. Whack! Whack! You put the bait too? You put the bait too? Hi, Mong Minh Lê. Hi, Minh. Oh. Oh yeah, Bong Sacom, you miss out. You miss out. Teacher never skunk yesterday. Catching fish. There's always some kind of method. My secret bait is this guy. Bang! Garlic. That's what I be catching with. I gotta, when you hear me say the bang bang, that's what it is. That's what I'm talking about, the bang bang. See, look. The bang bang garlic. Oh, shit. Oh, Bang Malia got one, yeah! Ah, Bang Malia got one, Bang Malia got one. Yeah, hey, first time I see you got a fish, Bang. Oh, tầng pu. Tầng pu. Hey, yo, 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 tao ơi. You got it, you got it. Oh, ở miền đất, ở miền đất. Oh, pana có tha panang. Oh, bong chưa got another one too. Oh my God, double trouble. Bạn Pi ơi. Oh, that's good size. Oh, nice. That's a nice size. Oh, đừng so. Oh, đừng sát. Mơ sát đôi mà chặt chân à. Oh, sạch đừng. Oh, mà look. Oh my God. Sạch đừng sro đôi mà chặt. Oh. Pan lang ay. Yung man pan lang ay thom chang lang tiệt ngày soko. Yeah. Mua ba nông pi bay pan cái thang à. Yeah. Màu mình anh thạo ba mình anh vật trong bán tụi mình anh. Yo, he got a big one already. Yeah. He got medium size and he got big one. She got two.
Very good. Yeah, I tell you, it's tricky.
Oh, teacher missing out. Teacher missing out. Mong nạ nhưng đã khang đấy ha. This is the shad. Yeah. Spray nó and then spray a garlic good too. They're both good. Yeah.
You score say more there.
Oh damn, that's big, man.
Yeah. No. Bạn Pi ơi, yeah.
Nè, Pi ba.
Tết bạn Pi bạn bấy là kêu lang chiêm đã phơi mình thầm bơ doctor ơi. Yếu. Casey got one with the bang bang. Casey got one. Hey, is it the size of the pong pong? Huh? Is it the size of the? Yeah. Channel, we got channel.
No skunky for me.
No skunk, baby.
No skunky, baby.
You got me a fruit
Hey, Bang Chanto too. No skunk, baby. No skunk, baby. Peter got another one.
Oh, yeah, sideways.
All right, Peter. Yo, 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 Peter got another one. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 Peter got another one. No skunk, baby. Đấy, bên là hang ngay này xí, hang nắm á. You got it or you need a... Oh, that's a nice one too. Put the front one and lift it. Put the boat down first.
You let me enjoy the nice fish that you caught.
Yeah.
Oh, man, nice big channel.
Paul.
Nice good
Here you
channel.
go. Peter got one. Look at old damn.
Hello, Peter. Oh, nice to meet you.
Big old skunk. Big old skunk. Get mad.
Big O, where are you?
Oh,
He's
big
way
O.
over there.
Go skunk, let's go.
His Paul's over here. He's over there.
That's a big O fish.
No skunk, baby. I knew that could be true. I gotta check for sure the way it lands.
He's like, forget the fish. I gotta check the bell. See where the bell lands.
There, right there?
Yeah, put up there. Okay, throw it. Put the feet down, man. I like throwing it. Go bring your pole. Hey, where's my bell at?
Right there. Right there. On the rock.
Yeah, Peter, watch all the way to the podium.
You know, it's funny. Every time I record,
Bear
right,
Dirty.
a song, I press the
Rock,
button, the red
Bear
button.
Dirty, yeah.
And always, no, I didn't press it.
Fuck yeah, you got
After
one?
you erase it, after you load up to whatever you load up, or else it takes space.
Yeah.
43 inch.
That Sherman. That's a big fish. Yeah. From shore? Yeah. Nice.
From back on the other.
Oh, that's good fish. And then called me king of striper. Yeah. After that?
Yep.
Nice.
He cheap. He used the fucking expensive ass bait. $40 a fucking.
But you got the spray down. I see you.
Yeah, he used the portable bait.
That's good odds. That's why you do too.
Yep.
Oh, it's okay. What's up, bro? No. Yeah. Bethany. Yeah, oh, on the other side, I'm on this side.
What's your bait, Peter?
Yeah.
Do you use my beef fry?
That I would have said $20 would be paid, but not 50.
You don't like the smell.
Yeah.
Yeah. It reminds me of this 7th grade deodorant. Come on, Peter. Come on, Peter. Throw that bell. on, Peter. Reel it in, reel it in.
Got it?
Another one, another one.
End up yonder.
Oh, yeah. Cái thằng nó khang nó bỏng. Another one, another one. Oh, Leon. Peter got another one. Catch it on the bang bang, man. On the bang bang. Honey, come up here. Let me do the bang bang.
Fish on!
Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! One more, one more.
Why is it only Paul catching it, dude? And we use the same bait. Huh? Oh, why?
You see like a side one.
Brian, you want to try some of the steak?
Nah, it's alright. I got a boogie anyway, so I'm trying to use this last piece.
Oh. Peter!
What?
Peter!
Which one? Is it?
You like?
You lie.
Revenge is
I do I big of a clip. It throw those clip.
Okay, I caught 3 already, dude. Which one's your beer?
You see, he caught 3 already. Look at it.
Might have good news.
He got 3.
Look at it. He caught 3 already.
3 off of Paul's pole.
Yeah.
I don't care. I got 3.
Or like a oh honey! Honey!
The black one in the middle.
Get it, Trina!
Let her set it. Let her
Get her, Trina! Man, she got so freaked out. Honey, honey, honey!
Stay there. Stay there.
No, don't stay there. Because you're not going to let it bite again.
Hey,
Be
where
back
my,
here.
where my,
Yeah?
bell? Did you toss my bell again?
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
Probably back there somewhere again.
No, I got hella bell already.
Me too.
Oh, Brian got one?
I think it's just little fish nibbling on it.
Probably messing with him.
Yeah. They're just eating the bait off the hook.
Man. That was a
They
loud
bite
ding
good?
ding ding too.
Everybody good?
Yeah. But it heard me screaming, so it ran.
They were like, oh shit, who's that screaming? Get the hell out of here.
At least I didn't get stuck. Yeah, caught one blue.
Oh yeah, lunchtime.
This one he ran in the back of Old Name's house. He catch it.
Ooh.
That got.
Yambay, yambay!
Come over! Hurry up!
Mmm, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy.
Like 3.
Oh yeah! Fool.
Happy. Look at that.
Okay. Okay. Come on, eat rice, my brother. Now mình xem ấy.
Yeah, mình xem nè nè.
Your boy, come on, don't be shy. Join us.
Come on, guys.
Come on, eat rice. Bông hộp bài bông.
Ai nhân viên bạc con á. Còn xem.
Dịp ra sao một con nữa. Hey, when we start eating it, go. Oh,
The pakong he catch with his bare hand, butt naked in the water.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah. Serve self.
Ngày nào bạn vô tóc mà. Ở đâu?
I know. Mmm.
Có chạc nhơi bằng ai nhà tật món đó là lấy.
Uh-oh. Mình là nẹt vót hông, mình là nẹt rốt hông, mình là nẹt xa hông. Nâng ai, oi đờ vót mà đong cái đằng giống hai trong mà pay cái đằng ngay này. Đi hiên chào chan bay.
Cực chân rất là hiện trai đang phá lên.
Đờ ban. Ê. Đờ ban tray chế đo mày cái. Nice. Hey, my 49er pole, man. It's lucky pole. Look, oh man. Here. Oh my God. Boy, vô nâng bà vay ngóp à. Ba. Oh, right here. Ding, 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 ding.
Mom. Oh yeah, I like this one.
Keep on counting, my Paul.
Man, I'm telling you.
Yeah. Can't go wrong with that.
Oh, Bong Trina got one. What? Look at that. Bong Trina, look at that. Ain't she reeling it with a smile on her face? Look at that. What? Look at that. Go skunk, baby. Oh, dang. No skunk, baby. Oh, you got it. Come on, girl power. Use that come on, girl strength on it. Whoa, dang. You got it. Oh, nice. Wow, look at that. There you go, Bong Trina. Now you get to say it. No skunk, baby. You get to say it. No skunk, baby. Yeah. All right.
Oh, look, it came out poo-poo.
Look. It got stuck on Peter. Gosh, she caught Peter too. Oh, dang. Congratulations. Alright guys, so it's the end of the day. We're about to head out here. I want to show a little bit of my brother right here. He the only one to catch fish today. Right, Peter?
Yes, sir.
Off of my pole. Son of a guy.
Hey.
Hey, there you go. But we did pretty good right now. So, but we're about to go home.
That's the one I didn't.
Yeah, we're about to go home. How many fish we got? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13.
Oh, the same size too, huh?
There you go.
That's a perfect
Hey,
size.
Cool. Peter, what do you say? All right.
Yo, yo,
You catch
yo.
most of the fish right now.
That's right.
So,
You guys.
all right, guys. Well, we about to take off. We setting up right now, so everything's going cool. Just my sister, Bong Trina. Hey, goodbye.
Bye. Nice fishing.
All right, guys. All right. See you guys later. All right. Thank you for watching. Peace.